So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came on a very important opportunity that is from 2024, 2025, 2026 from one of the prestigious organization of India, that is from the Vedanta. So finally they have announced the hiring for the role of graduate trainee recruitment program, and candidate profile you should have bachelor degree in one of the listed discipline from a recognized institutions, and recently graduates it should be less than 2 year, means 2024, 2025, 2026 all can apply, but the age criteria is 25 years and below you should have, and you should have excellent communication skill. So what are they offering? A structured development program with clear learning milestone, exposure to world class mining and industrial operations, professional mentorship and coaching. So this is a wonderful opportunity. I will suggest everyone should apply, and last date to apply is, you can see clearly here, 5 April 2026. So there are just 2 days, so make sure to share this link with your other friends too. Okay, so for applying just you have to click here start now, then you have to fill all those details, that your full name, your age, nationality, ID, your passport number if you have, hometown, and this is mandatory you should have, and highest qualification, institute name, and majority field of study. So if you are from mining engineer, electrical, metallurgy, mechanical, so accordingly they have clearly mentions, and year of graduation you have to mention that 2025, 2024 or 2026 all can apply for this wonderful opportunity. And friends, don't miss this and share this video among your friend. Okay, so academic result you should provide there, that you have passed, credit or merit distinction, and you have to send your CV, certified academic qualification, and copy of ID to kmccareer@kmc.com.this. Simply we have to click here and you have to share the CV to them. Okay, मीन्स सिंपली आपको ये मेल आई डी पे आपको कर दीजिएगा, और सिंपली जस्ट गो टू दैट एंड यू विल गेट द क्लैरिटी. नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड द जेंडर, योर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, नेम एंड नेम, designations and contact number for referee. Means if you have been referred by someone, then you have to choose accordingly, and you have to just provide your email address. So this is a wonderful opportunity. I will suggest don't miss this and make sure to apply before the link expire. Next important opportunity, that is just update that finally Cognizant 3-year full-time degree program for 2026 has been extended. So if you want you can apply. So for both 2026 as well as 2025 and 2024 batch are eligible for this, and now they've extended that. Friend, they have lots of hiring, that's why they are keep extending the dates. So don't miss this opportunity. If you know any candidates who are from the 3-year degree program like BCA, BCom and BA, BBA, BWOC, BMS, then I will suggest share this video with your friends. Okay, help each other in getting job. So these are the academic criteria you should have. 50% have they clearly mentioned. You should have 50%. For BTech you should have 60%. For remember, for BTech they haven't announced the off-campus hiring yet. It's currently on-campus hiring is still going on, and we'll provide you update as soon as it will be out. Friends, many of the candidates got the result for the TCS NQT text. So if you want to schedule your mock interview with us, means if you want to familiarize yourself with the interview, then I will suggest fill the Google form, that is mock interview form. We will provide you complete guidance, and we have already provided more than 40 plus selections in various companies like TCS, Cognizant and other companies. So if you want you can fill the form. Next important opportunity, that is from the daiviktech. They are hiring for the role of junior software engineer, and these are the tech stack requirement. And last important opportunity, that is from the global logic. They are hiring for the role of associate analyst. So actually I have already provided the update related to this job. So if you haven't applied, you can still apply. Still they are accepting the application. Hope informative to you. कोई भी query है feel free to ask her. We can also connect on LinkedIn. So all the link in the description, and best of luck to the candidates who have exam for the. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.